first Earth Day occurred on this date in 1970. Since then, every April 22nd has been devoted to caring for the environment. I remember the very first Earth Day, in part because my mother never threw anything away. Cleaning out her things years ago, I came across a school project she had saved that I did in the 3rd grade. Clearly, my artistic skills are no better today than when I was 9. Written words did include these. Some people think that from 30 to 50 years from now, the Earth may be a big mess. Even back then, I remember learning about greenhouse gases and the ozone layer and water pollution. I certainly can't say that everything I needed to learn I learned in the 3rd grade. But I was old enough to become aware that the care of our Earth and our long-term future were related. I remember the famous Crying Indian ad. The spot featured an actor in Native American garb paddling a birch bark canoe through increasingly polluted waters, and ended with the camera zooming in to reveal a single tear falling slowly down his cheek. Keep in mind, at the time, there was no EPA, no Clean Air Act, no Clean Water Act. So a senator from Wisconsin, Gaylord Nelson, created Earth Day as a way to force the issue into national consciousness. Years later in a bookstore, I came across the Green Bible. Like the red letter versions of the Bible that list the words of Jesus in red, the Green Bible lists in green references to the earth and caring for creation. It presumes the question, what is my role as a Christian in caring for the earth? How do we answer that question? We who pray, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. We whose scripture begins with God placing us in the Garden of Eden and commanding us to till it and keep it. We who know this passage as well as any from our scriptures. God saw everything he had made, and indeed, it was very good. We'll see you next time.